Welcome back to Hear Well, Live Well by Advanced Hearing Group. Please take a moment to like and subscribe, especially if you like these videos about wax removals and other associated ear issues, including the link between diabetes and hearing loss and depression and hearing loss. This is Hear Well, Live Well by Advanced Hearing Group. Today, we're going to look at some problematic ears. As we start removing the wax from this ear, you see that the ear canal is red all around the wax. This gives us our first sign that there may be something else going on. The patient presented with concerns of pain in the ear, fullness in the ear, and reduced hearing. Given that the patient reported pain prior to beginning the wax removal, it's very likely that we're going to use a gentle irrigation to help to get the earwax away from the eardrum and further down the ear canal. We're going to use the curette to pull the wax away from the ear canal wall, separating it, allowing our irrigation to be more effective. Alright, here we go with some irrigation. It's time. Let's take a look at this beautiful waterfall as we do the irrigation in the patient's ear. No, it's not that tranquil in the office, but this is what came out of the patient's ear. And you can see that there's nothing back on the eardrum anymore. All of the wax has moved towards the opening of the ear canal. We're going to simply use the curette to scoop this wax that's on the ear canal floor out, and then pull the last little bit off the right-hand side. Once that wax is removed, we'll have a clear view of the eardrum and surrounding ear canal and be able to determine if we need to send this patient to their primary care doctor. Given the redness of the ear canal all around the eardrum, we're definitely going to be sending this patient to their primary care doctor. Our next patient is sporting a beautiful blue pressure equalization tube. This PE tube looks like a straw and is actually in an adult. Yes, I know we associate PE tubes with children, but they're also effective for adults with middle ear problems. The function of a pressure equalization tube is to work in concert with your eustachian tube, helping to keep the pressure in the middle ear equal to the pressure in the outer ear. The PE tube allows for a second outlet for air and fluid to get out of the middle ear and into the ear canal, whereas the eustachian tube allows it to go back down the back of the throat. This has been Hear Well, Live Well by Advanced Hearing Group. If you've liked these videos, please like and subscribe.